The airbag light in your Ford Fiesta will most likely mean that there is a problem with the seat module, the electronic module under the seat, under the driver's seat or the passenger's seat. So what you will need to do, you will need to find this connector for this module, disconnect it and connect it back. Alternatively, there may be the water intrusion in the seat. So have you spilled something on the seat, some coffee or water or whatever? It may mean that this module is not working anymore and will need replacement. But in most cases, it's because the seat moves back and forth. And in three-door Fiestas, it's a very common issue that the wires in this module, they just get broken. In older Fiestas, like 10-year-old, 12-year-old Fiestas, it will be one of the common issues because the wires move. When you move the seat, the wires in this module move, and they can be broken, they can disconnect. So you will need to inspect these seat modules because they are the most common issues. And the second problem that may trigger this SRS light in your Ford Fiesta is the SRS module. The SRS module may also get a water intrusion, or it just may have some glitch, and it's not a DIY task. You will need a professional help for coding this module, or maybe even replacing it, because it's not that easy to code the SRS module. It's not possible with the simple scanner or something like that.